You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. I believe it comes from French Epergne, a type of table, centerpiece. How do you pronounce it? There's generally one main way of pronouncing it in English, which is pronounced as Epergne. Epergne, alright? Now the Americans usually say it similarly as Epergne, with a more of an R sound. Now the Merriam-Webster dictionary also lists as an alternative pronunciation Epargne, right? So that exists as well in American English, but generally Epergne, from French Epergne. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.